Hey guys, Thaliz here. How are you doing? So first week of January down. So please tell me, how did you do? What did you do? Like how it went. Anyways, today, as you guys requested on my Instagram, we will have the everyday makeup. So this was highly suggested by a lot of people. So yeah, by the way, all details will be up on my blog post that you can see on my blog. I will link it below on Monday. Normally like a daily makeup takes for me like about 15 to 20 minutes maximum. So we are gonna put 15 minutes because we are on a time crunch. So I will try to not talk too much and I will have my timer right there that I can see how many minutes that I still do have. The first is the primer. So I prime my face with this milk product. Then I use this one. Like I said, everything will be detailed like in the blog post tomorrow. So this is like a blur stick and I only use it where I have pores and on my nose. Like this is where I want it to be blurred, baby. And then take some translucent powder and put it on the T-zone only, because right now we are in the middle of the winter, so we don't need like that, you know, a lot. Then I will use this. This is a lip balm. Hydrate your lips, baby. So this is by Yves Rocher, which is a French brand, but they are available everywhere. Now I'm gonna do my brows, and that you can see, but I'm not gonna talk on it because, you know, we don't have this time. Brows are brows. Maybe I will like comment below if you want me to do a brow tutorial. So for concealer, I will be using First Concealer, and I really love this one because it's such with a high coverage. Now it is not my shade, but like this is not the highlight shade for me. And is it only me? I mean, this winter is cold. I love my melanin, but I love to be like bronze, you know. I'm gonna show you the difference. So right now I am using this by NARS. So right now I'm using this by NARS with like, I'm actually using like two, and this was my color. Can you see the difference? No, 2 pumps of Macao and 1 pump of Caracas. I really adore this, and I'm just gonna go and blend it right on top of my skin. You don't need like to go crazy, and like you can see it is like a shade a little darker, but it is the perfect shade for my neck. So matter on, like I feel like we all are the same no matter what color you are. In winter your face gets lighter, and I feel like finding a foundation in winter is way more difficult than in summer. I am just gonna put a little bit of concealer back here again. Gonna like blend, and there, canvas is ready. If you guys see how I'm drawing my concealer, like how I'm doing it, tell me where I got this idea from. After that, we are gonna let the concealer sit a little bit and we are gonna contour. So it's quite easy for me to contour, and yes, I do this. I am sorry, but like for me, I don't have a lot of shapes into my face, so then I use this big brush, which is kind of weird because like to contour you basically always use like a precise brush to like spray it a little bit. But yeah, to contour you always use like a precise brush, but I love using this big brush because I feel like it just melts into the skin. Here I always go up 5 pounds. Who just like, I just lost 5 pounds. We are gonna use the Jackie Aina palette. I am so simple with my eyes every day, guys. You have no idea. Every day, even on the weekends, like I just do that. I take like these 2 shades, basically the one that I most use, mix them and just create like a little halo on my eyes to wake them up. It's like very light and natural. Sometimes I will put in like kind of like cute sparkle color in the inner corner, but not today. So after, we are gonna blend out the concealer. always happen. I always go too high. After, I will be using this powder. This is by Sephora. I have to finish this one. So basically 12 12 12 and we draw 12 12 and set. This is like a game changer for me because you basically set your concealer first and then highlight. I'm gonna show you my favorite brush. So it's the Morphe M501 and this bad boy here are so precise. So I'm not gonna put a lot because we don't want to go too crazy. This is my brand new baby. Guys, I've been sleeping on this. I don't like, I am so mad at myself right now. You have no idea because I've been sleeping on this. Like, I am a huge bronzer fan. Like, I can wear only bronzer, like no blush. Who's team no blush? But yeah, I use blush, but I cannot use it, you know, it's not like necessary for me, but bronzer, I need it. And this one right here, the Hula, guys, go get it, go get it. Like the Hula Twisted, I did not believe that Benefit could have done that. Let's come back here very fast, just to like highlight and take off every baby. So yeah, now here I'm looking a little bit light. It's normal, it's what is intent to do that. Yes, 15 minutes done and we are almost done. Okay, so then I will use this brush by NYX and MAC Mirrorize, yeah. And I will like put it all over my face before I put blush and highlight. This is the blush that I'm using. Now let me see. And I just like start low and go up about half. Now I know it's looking crazy, but do not worry. After that, we will be blending everything. Yeah, this is the more natural. And this is the MAC one in Superb. We are gonna use this eyeliner. I'm not gonna put a lot, it's just to like show my eyes. Like, it's just to show people that I have eyes because like I feel like I don't see the difference. I have eyes, guys. I'm using this small liner. Then mascara, my favorite. If you have small lashes, clip them. Like right now, I basically cannot wear lashes, but it's okay. I'm okay. I'm okay. Oh, spray with that. Oh, I feel like so refreshed. And blend. Put that into your skin. Really, like, if I don't do that, I don't feel like I did my makeup. And there we are done. Just gonna put a little bit of lip gloss. Don't need a lot because we wear masks. And voila, my everyday simple makeup. So guys, if you did enjoy this video, do not forget to thumbs it up and make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I will see you next Sunday. So next Sunday video will be my first vlog of the year, no pressure, and the fact that I did wake up at 5 AM each and every day. So yeah, see you guys next week and subscribe to the channel and wear a mask. Stay safe guys, kisses, bye bye.
I need something to get me to open you. Are only a shot away.